Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a Hyundai Santa Fe. It's going to be the same thing for the Kia Sorento, because they basically call it the same car. So if you have a Santa Fe or a Sorento and Santa Fe, if your car look like this, it's going to be the same procedure and how to change your battery. So you come up to your car, flip out your key. For your car dead, flip out your key, open the lock, open that. I'm gonna come down here, open that, and then you want to come around here and find the lock assembly right here. So this right here, you want to squeeze it up, and then it's gonna open, and your battery gonna be located right here, and your positive cable is over here, your negative cable is here. So you will connect your jumper here if you're trying to give the car a jump, or if you're going to change your battery. Stick around and let's get down to business. So what you want to do at this point, since you're here, subscribe to the channel, help me help you. So you want to get a clip puller. I'm gonna have a link in the description for this. I'm gonna remove these two clips right here. If you look here on the clip, you can see some little cutout there. You can use the clip puller to get in there and lift it up like that. Same thing for this one right here. Once again, links for the tool gonna be in the description. So once you remove these two clips from here, your next step is to get this right here and just pull it out like that. Then you're gonna need your 10mm. So let's get a 10mm right here. You can use an impact gun. Remove the negative cable first, because you don't want to touch any, even though not, you don't want to touch the metal right here with the you don't want to touch any metal with your ratchet handle and touching the positive cable. So you best to remove the negative cable first, because if you can touch because the whole body of the car is negative, is ground, so it doesn't matter if you touch that when taking this off. But this, you don't want to get it touch anything, any part of the frame like here, or get it touch over here. So first thing first, take off the negative terminal. The second thing is take off your positive terminal. The next step is to, down in here, you're gonna have your that right there that you're looking at. You got some light down there. So this right here that you're looking at is gonna be 12mm. As you see, I dropped my socket, so be careful. So let's do that over. Alright guys, so let's do it again. This time we're going to put our extension on it right here, and it's 12mm, okay? So that's what I'm trying to take off. Alright, 12mm. Link will be in the description for 12mm socket, 10mm socket, and a ratchet handle and an extension. Alright?
Where's the SIM card?
So we'll go ahead and remove this and remove the battery. Go ahead and remove the sleeve from the battery like that. Alright, so this is a new battery that I have right here, and it is a 94R. So you want to make sure your negative go where your negative go, your positive go where your positive go. Make sure all the terminal are gonna reach. That's good. Get your battery sleeve. Check your terminal again. That's good. Get your battery holder right here. And you put it on just like this. So this is the point where I pull out my drill, my impact gun, because it's do the same job as this. As you see, I use this to take out the battery, so I'm not going to put a link in the description for this because this is more expensive. So let's do this. That's it. And positive cable. Make sure your terminals are clean. If they are dirty, just go ahead and clean them. Alright, and you don't need to tighten it too much. Just run it down. You don't need a torque spec, I should say. Just need to tighten it a little bit. It's tight now, so that's it. You don't need to over tighten it. You don't need a torque spec. That's all you need. Alright. That's it. Tight. You need to over tighten it. So the next good thing to have is a battery protector. If you have a battery protector, it helps to protect against the corrosion and all that. As you see, battery protector. Let's spray that there. Spray that right there. And that helps to keep down the corrosion level. You don't need to have it, but if you have it, it's a good thing to have. All right, link in the description for that also. So the next step, what we're going to do now, double check your work, terminals are tight, battery is secure properly, and let's put this in. Good. Make sure you have all your tools, you don't leave any. And after that, you want to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Help me help you. The next step is to go ahead and start the car, because you guys always say start the car when you change the battery. Let's see, because you get a lot of people telling you, oh, you need to connect its memory saver on the car, this and that, when in fact you don't need it. You see, I come in the car, I crank the car up, all the light come off, as you see. Close the door, and steering wheel work, no light on the dash, and you see I removed the battery. Once again, thank you for your love and support. Peace out. See you next time. And then the next thing after you change your battery, you want to go in the clock. Nothing set up. Turn on the reverse. Set up. And the time is now 4:06. I'll put it at 4:07. Hit PM. back, the calendar. Today is, let's make sure this is the month first. Okay, this is the month. Today is the 4th and the 14th. And after you do that, your time is set and you have the correct date. Alright, peace out.